La comida se ha enfriado. The food has gotten cold. The food has gotten cold. La comida, the food, has gotten enfriado, cold. The food has gotten cold. La comida se ha enfriado. The food has gotten cold. Puede causar mucho daño. It can cause lots of damage. It can cause lots of damage. Puede. It can causar, cause, mucho, lots of, daño, damage. It can cause lots of damage. Puede causar mucho daño. Podrías sentirte mareado. You could feel dizzy. You could feel dizzy. Podrías. You could sentirte, feel, mareado. Dizzy. You could feel dizzy. Podrías sentirte mareado. You could feel dizzy. Él representa a nuestro grupo. He represents our group. He represents our group. Él, he, representa, represents, a nuestro, our, grupo, group. He represents our group. Él representa a nuestro grupo. Tuve que rehacerlo. I had to redo it. I had to redo it. Tuve, I had, que, to, rehacerlo. Redo it. I had to redo it. Tuve que rehacerlo. I had to redo it. Mi hijo sabe sobre eso. My son knows about that. My son knows about that. Mi hijo, my son, sabe, knows, sobre, about, eso, that. My son knows about that. Mi hijo sabe sobre eso. Estoy libre después. I am free later. I am free later. Estoy, I am, libre, free, después, later. I am free later. Estoy libre después. I am free later. El dinero estará en tu cuenta mañana. The money will be in your account tomorrow. The money will be in your account tomorrow. El dinero, the money, estará, will be, en tu, in your, cuenta, account, mañana, tomorrow. El dinero estará en tu cuenta mañana. The money will be in your account tomorrow. Me desperté sintiéndome mejor. I woke up feeling better. I woke up feeling better. Me desperté. I woke up sintiéndome, feeling, mejor, better. Me desperté sintiéndome mejor. I woke up feeling better. Hoy comeremos pollo. Today we will eat chicken. Today we will eat chicken. Hoy, today, comeremos, we will eat pollo, chicken. Today we will eat chicken. Aquí dice que no podemos entrar. Here it says we can't enter. Here it says we can't enter. Aquí, here, dice, it says que no podemos, we can't, entrar, enter. Aquí dice que no podemos entrar. Here it says we can't enter. Se debe lavar una vez por semana. It should be washed once per week. It should be washed once per week. Se debe, it should be, lavar, washed, una vez, once, por semana, per week. It should be washed once per week. Se debe lavar una vez por semana. Ella será nuestra vecina. She will be our neighbor. She will be our neighbor. Ella, she, será, will be, nuestra, our, vecina, neighbor. Ella será nuestra vecina. She will be our neighbor. Se sienten delicados. They feel delicate. They feel delicate. Se sienten. They feel delicados. Delicate. Se sienten delicados. They feel delicate. Ellos se sienten inadecuados. They feel inadequate. They feel inadequate. Ellos, they, se sienten, feel, inadecuados. Inadequate. They feel inadequate. Ellos se sienten inadecuados. Esto es totalmente diferente. This is totally different. This is totally different. Esto es. This is. Totalmente. Totally. Diferente. Different. This is totally different. Ellos desaparecieron. They disappeared. They disappeared. Ellos, they, desaparecieron. Disappeared. Ellos desaparecieron. They disappeared. Disfruta lo que queda. Enjoy what is left. Enjoy what is left. Disfruta. Enjoy lo que, what is, queda, left. Disfruta lo que queda. Enjoy what is left. Ponlos en la esquina. Put them in the corner. Put them in the corner. Ponlos. Put them in the esquina. Corner. Put them in the corner. Ponlos en la esquina. Put them in the corner. El mío quedó aquí. Mine was left here. Mine was left here. El mío, mine, quedó, was left, aquí, here. Mine was left here. El mío quedó aquí. Hazlo si ellos llaman. Do it if they call. Do it if they call. Hazlo. Do it. Si. If. Ellos. They. Llaman. Call. Hazlo si ellos llaman. Do it if they call. La salida es por este pasillo. The exit is through this corridor. The exit is through this corridor. La salida. The exit es por, is through, este, this, pasillo, corridor. The exit is through this corridor. La salida es por este pasillo. El perro me entretiene. The dog entertains me. The dog entertains me. El perro, the dog, me entretiene. Entertains me. El perro me entretiene. The dog entertains me. Somos compañeros. We are companions. We are companions. Somos. We are compañeros. Companions. Somos compañeros. We are companions.